Hey there, this is Coach Archangel and welcome on WLA. If you're new on this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the subscription button so that you will not miss our upcoming videos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the right way to pronounce the sound and the different common spelling pattern in which you can pronounce that sound. Let's go with the way of pronouncing. The lips are apart, very slightly rounded in an oval shape, this way, up. And the tongue is slightly dense and down near the floor of the mouth. If you well follow the instruction, it will go like this, up, up, up. Now let's go with the different common spelling patterns with the sound. The first one is with the letters A and W, as in saw, law, awful. The second one is with the letters A and the U, as in author, August, additions. The third one is with the letters A and L, as in small, tall, walk. The fourth one is with the letters O, U, G, H, T, as in but, fought, thought. The fifth one is with the letters A, U, G, H, T, as in daughter, coat. And the last one is with the letter O, as in gone, off, long. Now let's go with the word pairs for practice. Towel, small talk, cut the bowl. Now let me give you a complete sentence for a better practice. I saw your mother-in-law in the mall. I saw your mother-in-law in the mall. Now, as exercise, can you leave in the comments some other words apart from the words I previously gave you with these common spelling patterns AW, AU, and AL? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.